To send a voice message on Android, you first have to locate your messages and click on it. Then we're going to proceed to click on the start chat. Then for the inscription too, we're going to enter our phone number. So in this case, I'm going to enter something like, then after that, I'm going to continue to click on send to 111. After this is selected, we're going to continue to click on the text messages box. And for those who have an existing voice that they want to send, you can proceed to click on the plus icon. Then you have the flexibility to choose it, whether it's saved in the gallery or from the files. And if you now want to record a voice message to send, you can proceed to click on the voice icon. And when you click and hold it and continue to speak, it will be recording in real time. As in the case of this video, it is currently recording. In the event you want to replay it to hear whatever you want to send, you can proceed to click here. After that, you can then continue to click on MMS send. And that's it. You have successfully sent a voice message on your Android phone. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.